Hello friends, now in the previous video we have completed this quarterly section. See here we give the heading and these types of icon we added. When we click on this icon, it will be open the one type of PDF all the information. And also here we have previous video we have this button. When we click, it will redirect into the some new pages, this financial one. And now in this video we make this card view, these types of a card. See, and also we try to make these types of structure uh, like this, and in this not this button, because when we click on this button it will redirect in another page. If you want to, I give the only link. When I want to click and in this button, it will redirect into the new page. Let's go on the our VS Code editor and first of all make this here, and just collapse all this because code is too much looking lengthy. And after that here, actually I was created this div tag investor introduction, and here I give the one comment for after that I want to start all this code. Let me just give, and now here inside that you can see here we have a two column. For that I created two div and give the class name will be intro uh, investor introduction description, TION. In that we first of all giving the heading. Let me just copy this, and after that paste it here, and after that I want to give the this p tag, or we can directly give the div because this is a paragraph like a that's why we can use this p. And just I want to just copy all these tags and come here again and paste this here. Now after that this div tag I want to add the images, and here give div investor introduction image and enter. Inside that I use the img src and giving the path of this image. For that you can directly download, right click and save this image. After that you can give the path, or you can use the directly right click, copy image address and go on the your VS Code editor, and here in the image tag you can give the src path, this paste this, and after that I want to close this tag. And now we have created. Let me just see what the output is coming in our code. See, this types of output is coming in our code. Now let me go on the CSS and design this whole things like this type. For that come in the here in the CSS, first of all copy this class name, and here come here I want to give the let me give this class name and paste this here. And first of all give the display flags. Why I was giving the display flags? See, this all whole things are in the vertical direction, but I want to uh, in the horizontal. That's why we give the display flags. Now you can see all these are coming, but see in the previous holes we have a adding a one class container here and here like that. I want to also add in you can see in the previous section this types of a container class we added for the margin left and right side automatically. For that as like this one I want to also add here div class container, uh, and here close this tag, just cut this div tag here and paste in the last section. Let me put here and here, and press the shift alt F for the formatting purpose. Automatically these whole things are formatted. Now let me see again. Now see, left side and right side automatically margin and padding automatically adjusted. Now here you can see this who we are, and about that I want to like a this types of a border you can add directly. Just copy this, I was already copy, and let me go on here, and our see our display flags also disturb. Let me just here add one more class, introduction, no, investor introduction. I give the content. Let me just copy this class name and come here. Only I want to change this, or we can do, yeah, change this class name. Let me see. Yeah, and now I want to give this top side border. For that, give the border, or you can give the shadow box, shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 2 pixels, solid not RGB color of that 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 2. Let me check where is this coming. Okay, it will be little bit not coming. Give the 5. Something is coming. Let me, okay, box, sorry, here I was giving the box sizing. Here I want to give the box shadow. Let me see. Yeah, you can see little bit coming, but I want to only in the top section. For that, I want to give here minus. Let me check. Yeah, okay, minus will become here, and minus this will become in the top section. And now here I want to give the 0, and this will be the approximately 5. Let me check. And yeah, and this will be 1, and this will be 2. Yeah, now I think it will be properly. And you want to give the spread more, 2 pixel. Yeah, now I want to design this part. Just copy this, or we can add here also, no? Now I want to give the description section. For that, come here and just copy this class name investor introduction description. Copy this, come in the CSS file, and here I want to give the max width will be approximately 700. Let me give the 700 pixel, and here you can see all the here is coming, and this image will be little bit, let me check the size of this image. Right click, inspect, and okay, this image will be disturbed. Let me go on this bottom, and after that, just click here and click here. You can check, if I was click now, you can check here, this image will be 377 width. Let me go on my section, and just copy this class name and come here. Here I want to give the uh, what is the width of this, max width will 377 pixel. I give the 380, and after that I want to give investor introduction content images. Inside that we have images, giving the width of the will be 100%. Let me just check from my side. See, our image is automatically here, and by this little bit margin of padding is coming. Okay, I think here I was something missing. Okay, 7 pixel here, and now I want to give the little bit space here. For that, I give the margin left side will be approximately 50 pixel. Let me check. Yeah, now here you can see little bit space is coming automatically. And I want to also in the top section here we can give the margin, not a margin, we give the padding top will be approximately 50 pixel. Let me give, and yeah, and margin top also 50 pixel. Yeah, yeah, margin is not here. I want to give margin in this tag. Just copy this one, come here, and it will be pasted on the above this, and just copy this margin here and paste here. Now let me check. Yeah, now see, as like just close this one, and here I was got here, and this image is automatically coming. Now I want to make this font will be little bit bold and color will be like this format. For that, here I was description. Inside that description I have a p tag. Let me just copy this, paste it here, and inside that I give the font size will be approximately 20 pixel. Let me see. Yeah, now you see I want to only change this color. Let me give the color will be gray color, not a fully gray, and this is a little bit gray type. Yeah, I like this one. And see, we have created this. Now let's go on the next section. We want to create this corporate announcement. For that, come in the investor relation page, and this is one part. Just close it. After that, open the another section, div, giving the class name, or you can use the directly div, because this is in the VS Code I install the Amit. That's why by default Amit will be give these types of extension. And now here I give the corporate announcement. Let me just what can do, I can make a div and give the corporate, sorry, I mistake the spelling, corporate section enter. Okay, why this image is not working? Div, okay. Yeah, sometimes image will be not working. If I go on, yeah, div corporate section enter. After inside that I want to again add the this container. Now after that I want to add the see, here I have only one type of it. See, after that line by line there is a note flex. For that I want to add the like a sequence bearer. First of all I want to add this heading, corporate announcement, corporate announcement, okay, a will be small, announcements, and anything, yeah, this will be okay. And after that I have a little bit border. For that I can directly add here, let me just we can directly give this one class name. Giving the class name will be corporate heading. Just copy this and come here in the investor dot here just commented corporate section or corporate heading. Let me just edit this, and after that here I paste this, and giving the border bottom and 1 pixel solid, it will be the f7 f7 f7. Let me check in our section. See, this types are becoming, but yeah, and see, okay, this color will not matching. Right click, inspect, and go on here. First of all I want to search this colors. Just copy this and come in the here. I give the color will be this one, and also in the heading section I give the color will be this one. Let me go on again. Yeah, here as compared to here. Now I want to, I was edit this section, and I was forgetted giving the margin. Bottom section will be approximately 30 pixel. Yeah, now it will be okay. Now I want to add this all this section, and like this wise we can do one thing here. This outline will be added from this section. First of all I make this, then after I go on the make a one array and render all these component. And first of all we want to make this go here, and here I make a div and give the class, giving the corporate, sorry for the corporate, then give the list. Inside that I want to add one by one. Just give me the div class name corporate items. Inside that I want to add first of all we have a date. Let me give the simple p tag. Inside that just copy this same date and paste inside that. After that we have these types of a, and for that I use the h2 and just copy this, paste is here. And after that we have this types of a button, and for that this button I want to add we can do btn, and this button has some link. For that I can directly use the anchor tag, and here I give the link, and inside that I want to give that tags read more. And here see we have this types of icon. For that I was already added the font awesome. Let me check font from the font awesome website this types of icon is available or not. Let me click here, and here type just angle, angle right side. Let me check. Yeah, solid not available. What can do now? Yeah, this type of carrot. Okay, okay, I was forgot it. Carrot. Let me just okay, free version, and I want to in the carrot right side just copy this class and paste in inside here. Go in the your code, you can see in the bottom section here is display, and this types of is coming by default. I want to make as like this one, and here and here this types of a I want to only reduce this by default by margin which h2 has. Just reduce this. After that I want to make this button. For that I want to reduce, just copy this corporate item and come in the style.css. Here I want to give the uh, inside that corporate item we have a h2, h2, and I want to give the margin will be um, from top bottom 20 pixel, left right 0. Let me just check. Oh yeah, I think I want to reduce more, give the 15. Yeah, this I think 10. Yeah, 10 will be okay because this p tag already had just its own margin of padding. Let me also remove this. Here I give the and p tag, here I give the p will be 0, no margin, no padding. Yeah, now see it will be okay, and this will be also okay, but I want to don't want to this font weight just 300. Yeah, and it will be 500 also, 300 400. Yeah, 400 is okay. And after that this number is okay. Let me check. Yeah, this number will be color, we give the color will be scc, and let me just change this, check here. Yeah, and this one is also I want to change. Let me come here, color will be RGB, and let me see. No, RGB, and this will be 48. No, yeah, now it's okay. Now I want to make this button. Inside the corporate item we have a link. Just me give the link will be text color will be white. Okay, here. Now yeah, not visible because of I want to give the background color. Let me just copy this same background, right click, inspect, OPS, copy the background color here, close this here, paste this here. Now let me check. Yeah, actually I want to first of all give here margin from the bottom section it to 100 ping. This is a temporary purpose. Let me just comment. If sometime I was forgetted, you can directly temp, and yeah, I was giving the margin. Okay, I was giving the in the heading section, but I want to give the in the corporate this section. Just copy this, come in here and paste in the top section. And just copy this same here and paste here. Yeah, now see, and now I want to make this but btn. I want to give the padding 10 pixel, not a 10, 7 pixel top bottom, and left right it is 20 pixel. Yeah, this types of a if I want to okay read more. See here, not have any, only I want to change the color. Let me just give this color and just remove this. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, see, we have created, but we don't want to underline. Let me reduce this text decoration none, and anything more, anything so not available. And little bit I want to give the gap. Yeah, little bit gap for the purpose. I give the inside the anchor tag we have a one I tag which hold the icon, and here I want to give the padding will be left side will be 10 pixel. Yeah, see here little bit space is coming. If you want to give the 5 pixel then also okay properly. And after that I want to render this same component here. Let go on here, and just you can copy directly, or you can make a one array and run in the with the help of a javascript also. And like that, just copy this same and paste it here, and here also just copy this and paste it here. Now see, when we click on the read mode, it will be redirected into the new page like this PDF. Just copy this URL and paste in the here, and let me go on the second also. When click on the second, it will redirect into the new page. Yeah, now let me first check in the hour section. When I was clicking in the read more section, okay, same will be happen. Now only I want to give the padding and margin from the top and bottom. I was already incorporate this item. Just copy this and come here. I was giving this margin, no, not giving the margin, I give the padding from the top section. It will be approximately 30 pixel. Let me check. Yeah, 30 will be okay, or we can give the 50. Yeah, 50 will be okay. 30, 50, yeah. And for that I want to also give the margin border color. For that, giving the border top 1 pixel solid, it will be the gray color. Yeah, here I was, see, this border is coming, but I want to in the bottom section also. For that I want to give, let me just give this padding will be top bottom approximately. We give the top side 30 pixel. Let me check. Yeah, see, now it's looking good, but don't want, I think we want to little bit slide. No, for that we can do left right 0 pixel. Now see, this one done, and here I want to like a button this types of way. For that, come here, and this is a corporate item, this is a list of the item. After that, I want to give the one btn, or we can directly give the one link. Inside that, I want to only give the see all announcement, and it will be linked with the new page. Just copy this link, paste here, and here I want to add the see all announcement. Yeah, let go back again. Announcement, just I want to only copy the this same color. First of all, I want to give the here class name, give the see all an announcements btn, and I give the same as like text one, because if you want to reference from the css, you can reference directly and come in the css file. Here I want to directly give the background color will be RGB, and it will be, I think, this one. Text color will be white, and padding will be top bottom approximately 7 pixel, left right will be 10 pixel. Let me check, go on here. Yeah, I give the 10 pixel also, 7 8 pixel, and it will be go on the 15. I think 16. Let me check here. Okay, here you can see we have a more, and yeah, this color will not, let me change RGB, this will be dark. Right click, inspect, just copy the color name. I think this one, this both color are same. Let's copy this. Yeah, these are same. I think okay. Now I want to only give the border, and this padding will be 10 pixel, and this will be 20 pixel, and text decoration will be none. Border radius will be 3 pixel. Yeah, now you can see when I was clicking in this button, it will be redirect into the new page. All this list will be display like this. We have a, yeah, here I think some mistake. Let me again refresh, click and go back. Yeah, and see, I want to when hover this little bit, see this color will be little bit change like that. I want to also make here, just copy this, and here I can give the same hover effect. And why this are happening, just copy this same color name and paste it here, and little bit make a, we make a little bit dark. Let go on here. Okay, not is showing. See, little bit you can make more. Yeah, see, when I use hover, this color will be little bit change. We have completed this section, and here I want to little bit space. This is a btm, we give the margin top 10 pixel. Now let me check, I give the 20. Yeah, this is a inline block, I was forgot it. Give the display block, and this will automatically, I give the inline block. Yeah, now it will be look good. See, this we have a completed this section. Now in the next video we go on the next section. Thank you for the watching till this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If this video is helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe the channel, and share this.